Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the tree planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're looking at a triple trunk Chinese fan palm that we are about to install for a customer in Tampa Palms in North Tampa. This is a huge tree, as you can tell when you look at the size of it compared to the size of the men walking around it. Trunk height is 14, 16, and 18. Total height of the tree is about 25 feet. It's a beast. Beautiful tree. These are rare. Chinese fan palms are usually single trunk. This is a triple. The characteristics on the Chinese fan palm that make them so unique is, number one, they don't freeze in Central Florida. Number two, they have that ringed look all the way up and down the trunk. And number three is they have a weeping effect, which is really a neat characteristic. It's a fan palm, not a feather palm. One of my favorites. If you want one of these, go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us through the contact button, and we'll help you get one in your yard. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com.